Hello student, welcome to you in this video. Param Guru Pathsala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself, Master Kamini. Today I am going to teaching you for Standard 3rd. My subject name is Social Study. Today I cover chapter number 2, that is Our Earth. Today I covered topic that introduction, hardwords and glance of globe. Our lesson name is that our earth, that we have to live in earth. Okay, now dear students, we start second chapter. First chapter I have to already discuss that your early humans, their lessons, explanations, exercise, extra worksheet, homework, also we have to discuss and completely over that chapter. Now I will come within second chapter, that is your our earth. Today topic cover that introduction of earth, just showing the pictures of earth and then hardwords, and then I will share you the textbook screenshot because I know you don't have textbook, so you have to pay attention here also and just a glance of globe. Okay, so let's start. What can you see in this picture? You can see that earth picture. This is the earth picture. Okay, dear students, you have to know about earth shapes. You have to study in standard 1 2 that earth is a round and shape. Also you have to circle shape. Second picture also see 8 minutes. Wait. See, first picture and second picture of these earth, that which kinds of shape? Round, circle. Okay, we have to study it in second chapter our earth, the earth of shape, and the chapter hardwords and earth, globe, map, continents, these all ones, and oceans. These all ones we have to study in this chapter. So this is the two picture of the earth I have to given. One activity that I have to given you, that you have to photocopy or draw earth in your notebook in very first page, and chapter first page you have to draw earth or a earth picture, stick or draw also, and then you have to write down. We have to discuss about, sorry, our earth new or hard words, that I have to recite each words. I have to recite each words 2 times. Okay, you have to listen carefully, then you have to write down in your notebook, homework notebook, that each word write down 3 times. First spelling, here you can see the picture, the earth globe. I have to draw earth but the in form of globe. Very soon I have to discuss about globe also. But first spelling is that planet. 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 Second spelling, layer. 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 Atmosphere. 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 Globe, globe, that we have to discuss in lesson also. All that your hard words and new words I have to discuss while I'm going to explain you the lessons or reading the lesson. I have to given the meaning of that spelling 2. Okay. Now next spelling is that surface. 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 Next spelling atlas. 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 Continents. 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 Countries. 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 Now next spelling is that your oceans. 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 Seas. 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 lakes. 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 Next, second part I have to read out 2 times. You have to just pay attention. Asia. 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 Africa. 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 This is your not hard words or new words. This is your just continents names that you have to know the spelling of that continent's name. That's why I have to give on you. Europe. 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 Australia. AUSTRALLA. Australia. AUSTRALLA. Australia. Antarctica. 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 This is the pronunciation also the important. You have to, while you going to write down homework, and then spell out the spelling from your in front of your parents. Pacific Oceans. PACIFICOCEAN. Pacific Oceans. Atlantic. 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 Arctic. 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 Deepest. 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 Now North America and South America. NORTHAMERICA. North America. And then South America. SOUTHAMERICA. South America. This is your hard or new words that you have to write down in your notebook. Second chapter, write down the title and then hard words and new words. Each spelling write down 3 times. Like you have to draw in full page, draw 2 lines in between. First spelling write down planet, in second line write down planet, and third line write down planet. Same as the second spelling. Layer, layer, layer. Okay. In next session I will ask you, while I'm going to teaching you in virtual classes, this one ask you the homework for that. Now next that your textbook lesson reading. Chapter number 2, our earth. That here one activity are given that write the name of the shapes given below. This is your maths questions also, that the shapes and size you have to given in maths also, but we have to study about earth shape. So this activity given in this book. If you have to write down and copy down from the mobile and in your notebook, that first spelling is that circle, second spelling rectangle, third spelling triangle, fourth spelling square. These 4 pictures, these 4 shapes you have to given below and write down the spelling of that. And question arising that which shape do you think is the closest to the shape of the earth? You have to ask your own self, which shape do you think is the closest to the shape of the earth? Answer given is that round. The earth look like a round. Okay, we are living on the earth, and Earth is a very important for us. These chapters we have to start now. See, this is your textbooks page because I know you don't have textbook, but right now you have to pay attention here. The earth is a planet. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun. The earth is the only planet that life has. The sun shines to give heat and light to the earth. The sun shines to give that heat and light to the earth. The earth contains water that is very important for all living beings. A larger portion of the earth is covered by water than by land. A larger portion of the earth is covered by water than by land. You can see the earth picture. Blue color shows water and like shading color, green color shading like land. A larger portion of the earth is covered by water than by land. Hence, the earth is also called the blue planet because it looks like a blue. It has air all around it that help us to breathe. This layer of air is called the atmosphere. Atmosphere that we have to live and take the air inside our body. All living beings and all living things need air. All living beings get food, water and air from the earth. Now second time I will read the paragraph and I will explain what the paragraph said. Now attention here. The earth is a planet. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun. सन के आसपास घूमने वाला कौन होता है? अर्थ. द अर्थ इज द ओनली प्लैनेट दैट हैज लाइफ. द सन शाइन्स टू गिव हीट एंड लाइट टू द अर्थ. द अर्थ कंटेन्स, अर्थ के पास क्या क्या है? वाटर. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल लिविंग बींग्स. विदाउट वाटर वी कैन लिव? नो. विद इन अ hour we have to need water. We go outside our house, we have to take one water bottle, and if you don't or forget to take the water bottle, we have to buy the water bottle and drinking water. Same, water is very important for all living beings. A larger portion of the earth is covered by water than by land. Hence the earth is also called the blue planet. This one also asks like a blanks or a short question that which planet is called the blue planet. The answer is Earth. It has air all around it that help us to breathe. This layer of air is called the atmosphere. All living beings get food, water and air from the earth. Okay, dear students, now we have to see that the difference of earth and globe. Earth and globe is same, but in earth we can see the all details on front, in front of that. No, and globe is that different thing. See, I can see you. See, this is the picture of globe that rotate itself or ourselves, and that we can see the whole world at a glance. Do you understood? Because earth is a very big and look like a ball. We cannot see it as a whole at a one go. So we can use the model of the earth. We can see the earth photograph in front side, but back side what? There is no. So we can use the model of the earth, which is called the globe. It is a perfect model of the earth that we have to, it help us to locate countries, oceans, seas and all that things. You have to just rotate the globe and you can see all countries on the globe. But the globe doesn't show all the details. To see the details of all the places, huge globe would be required. This is the small globe. You can see the that kinds of globe you can see at school, principal's office, staff rooms, something like police stations. Okay, these kinds of globe you can see there. That if the rotate the globe, you can see the all whole world. But all the details you find, that huge globes would be required. Such globes would be very expensive and difficult to carry. So there is maps also used. In very next session I will discuss about map, but today I have to discuss only earth and globe. You can see in the picture, the globe picture. Next picture is that globe. See, both the picture I have to given that if you rotate the globe, you can see the front part of the countries, and second part of the countries you have to rotate the globe, and you can clearly see in the all parts of the countries. Now your textual lessons. See, globe. Our earth is a very big and look like a ball. You can see we cannot see it as a whole at a one go. एक साथ आप पूरी अर्थ नहीं देख सकते. So we use a model of the earth which is called the globe. We have to use to see the earth, and in place of earth we use the model of the earth. It's called globe. It is a perfect model of the earth. It helps us to locate countries, oceans and seas. It is the perfect model of the earth. It helps us to locate countries, oceans and seas. समुद्र, दूसरी कंट्रीज, दरिया, सब कुछ दिखता है. बट द ग्लोब डज नॉट शो ऑल द डिटेल्स. But the globe does not show all the details. To see the details of the all the places, huge globes would be required. Huge globes would be required because it is the small globe that you have to rotate and just see the front side of South Africa, America and next part of that globe. But if you know the all details or all places, huge globes would be required. Such globes would be very expensive, बहुत महंगा. Expensive, that means महंगा. And difficult to carry. Difficult to carry means this one big ball like a here, and you can carry in school also if you have globe at home. But if you wish that you have to carry at anywhere, that it is easy? No, because this is a very expensive and difficult to carry and very big too. Hence, maps are used to show small details. Hence, maps are used to show small details. This activity you have to do. Today I will give you the homework of that. You have to draw first page earth. Second, Hardwords, write down 3 times. Third, that is your activity that you have to draw 4 shapes. Number 1, round, square, rectangle and square. And then in third page you have to draw a beautiful globe in your notebook and color in it. You have to use only 2 color, that blue and shading color green, because we have to discuss that the earth is also called the blue planet. Blue color shows water and green or brown color shows land. Okay dear students, so today we have to give one homework and finish that first part.